Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be explaining the software environments that is used in the software development lifecycle, from development to the production. So the first question is, why do we even need multiple environments? Multiple environments help us to detect bugs early, and it will be avoiding the breaking of live systems and ensure the software quality. Each environment has a specific purpose and the audience. So let's just go to the first environment. So the first environment is dev environment. Dev stands for developer environment. This is where the developers write their code and test individual features. It is unstable, frequently changing, and the debugging is also enabled here. And it is the most unstable branch because developers can frequently check their codes by making some changes. Now the next environment is SIT, System Integration Testing Environment. So here different modules are integrated and tested together to ensure they work as a complete system. This environment checks intermodular dependencies basically, and it is used by the testers in order to test. And the next environment is UAT, User Acceptance Testing Environment. Here business users or clients validate whether the software meets their requirements or not. If they don't meet their requirement, they will be again developed by the developers, and then again it will be going to the SIT, and then it again comes to the UAT. Only approved features are allowed to proceed into the further environments, and it is be using by the product owners. Now the next environment is QA environment, and it stands for quality assurance. Here testers verify functionality, performance, and edge cases. The focus is on finding defects before the software moves forward to further environments, and it is used by the QA team. And the next environment is staging environment, and it closely mirrors production in terms of configuration, data structures, and deployment process. Final testing is done here before going to the release, and it is used by the developers as well as QA teams. And the next environment is pre-prod environment, and it stands for pre-production environment. This is the final checkpoint before going live. It is used to verify deployment scripts, configuration, and performance under near real conditions. And it is used by the DevOps teams and the release teams as well. It basically mirrors the production very closely. And the next, so the final environment is production environment. So production is the live environment which is used by the real users. It is highly stable, secure, and monitored continuously. Any issue here directly impact the customers, and it is used by the end users itself. And now if we talk about the environment lifecycle, so first it will be going to the dev, and then it will be going to the SIT, and then QA, then UAT, then staging, then pre-prod, and then prod. So if we go from left to right, the stability increases. Like dev is the most unstable branch, then we have SIT, and then UAT, and then all the way to the prod. So prod is the most stable. That's why it is used by the end users. And each environment plays a key role in quality assurance, as you have already seen it. So that's pretty much all about this video. So thank you for watching.